Detoxifying the liver involves adopting healthy habits that support its natural detoxification processes. 1. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water to help flush toxins out of your system and support liver function. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to provide essential nutrients for liver health. 3. Include liver-friendly foods. Incorporate foods like garlic, onions, beets, and leafy greens that can aid in liver detoxification. 4. Limit processed foods. Reduce your intake of processed and high-sugar foods that can strain the liver. 5. Opt for lean proteins. Choose lean sources of protein like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like tofu and legumes. 6. Avoid or limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can harm the liver. Limit your alcohol intake or abstain altogether. 7. Use liver-supporting herbs. Consider herbs like milk thistle, dandelion, and turmeric, which are known for their liver-supporting properties. 8. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve blood flow and overall liver function. 9. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity can lead to fatty liver disease. Aim to achieve and maintain a healthy weight through diet and exercise. 10. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night, as insufficient sleep can negatively impact liver health. It's important to note that the liver naturally detoxifies the body, and there's limited scientific evidence to support the need for specific detox diets or products.